to my channel Utsav & Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. I don't know, but I think I have become a diamond painting addict. But this one was the one that I was talking about in my previous two videos that was on order. And so I think, but I have already decided that I'm going to order some more. I'll show you guys when I order some more and they come in. I've not yet decided which ones and when I'm going to order them, but I definitely think I'm going to order them soon. So I'm going to do this unboxing with you guys together. Being honest, I haven't peeked into it, just got it cut because I don't want you to see how clumsy I am on camera. So I just cut off the box. I haven't peeked into it, I promise, okay? So let's open the box and see how the painting is and how it looks like. I already know the design since I ordered it, but okay, let's get into it. So here's the box and here's my diamond painting. It has some bubble wrap in it, but we can deal with it later. So right here, so this is by Fashion DIY Diamond Paint right here, and it is 16 by 35 inches, the diamond painting, and it was $24.99, and I think that was a good price, but I'm not sure. Let's see how the product is, and then maybe it's really a good price. The seller name was Esqualer. I will have the link in the description below. I am not affiliated with them, or I'm not paid for doing this. It is my own reviews and how it is, but I will do have the link in the description below if you guys want to purchase the same painting. So let's go ahead and open it. Everything seems to be looking okay as of now. Oh well, it came out completely. Voila. So let's make it more in mystery. Let's see the diamonds first. What do you think? Okay, so this is a whole bunch of diamonds, or the drills, and it is a square drill. The one that I lost and I found again, that was a square drill too, but the diamond dots was round drill, and this one is square drill again, and there's a whole bunch of colors. Look at the amount of colors. I think the painting, when I read the description, it said there were 44 different colors in this painting, so that's a whole bunch of colors. And they also sent us some resealable bags to store the extra drills in it. And we have this toolkit right here that comes with every diamond painting that you guys purchase. And let's see, we have the little bit of wax here, and I think even this much of wax will go a long way. I did not have experience when I saw the diamond dots, and when I refilled it with wax, filled it with wax the first time. It's still working, and I've almost done a lot of it. And this is a two-way pen. I think this side is will take about 3 or 5, and this is the single side. Look guys, I'm really new, so I'm not sure how much this will pick, but I think you guys can let me know how many it'll pick together, if you can see it on the camera, that is. And then they sent a pair of tweezers, which I think I'm just going to keep it aside. I really am liking the stylus more than the tweezers, but everybody has their own choice. And they sent me a tray, and it's a cute little tray. So that's our toolkit and our drills. And put this to the side, and let's open the painting. I'm not even sure if there's an instruction manual inside. Well, the wrong way. Well, this is my first big painting. Like, when I say big, this is humongous. Guys, humongous, guys. Okay, look at this. It's not that big, but it's big for me because I haven't done much diamond painting yet. I make my own diamond paintings. I draw them, paint them, and then I I do the diamond work myself. So this is my third diamond painting kit, but usually I make my own diamond paintings. If you want to see them, how I make them, I've not done a tutorial on it, but if you want to see which ones I've made, I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to check out that video too. And let's open this bag of drills, and probably I can show you the painting on there since this is not transparent. Let's see. Right here, this is the painting, if you guys can see. Right here. So this is the painting, and let me try and see if I can peel off a little bit. It is super sticky. Right here. See, it's really sticky and it's really good. The canvas is good too. The material is good. And here's the name of the seller that is on Amazon, and I bought it from them. And this is it, guys. This is 16 by 35 inches. I am planning to do a time-lapse video for this painting, so I will have it uploaded once I'm done completely, or I can keep showing you how much progress I made on each of them. But I definitely want to do a time-lapse video on how many days it takes me, considering the fact that I only get time an hour or so every day. So yeah, this is it, guys. Let me know if you have purchased any diamond painting kits from this seller on Amazon, and what were your reviews on them. Leave me a comment in below about if you did purchase any from this seller, or have you liked their qualities, and if you want me to purchase a certain diamond painting kit and do a video on it or a review on it, just let me know in the description below, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel for more fun and crafty DIY tutorials, and to never miss any new updates from me, hit that bell button, okay? And do follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I will have all the links in the description below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Love you all. Alright, guys, so because I was so excited, or well, I was just forgetful, I guess, but I forgot to show you these drills close by, up close, and look at all these beautiful drills. They look so pretty. And also, like, they have given a number system like O1, and these are the DMC code right here, and I think I love it, the way how clear it is. I just love this. I'm already loving this seller. The quality is good. The drill quality looks amazing, and I just simply am in love with these. So yeah, like I said, this is really cute. I am really liking it. It is a big one. I am going to do a time lapse on it, but yeah, this is it, guys. I love it. I just simply am loving it without even starting the project. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon with the time lapse video. Love you all. Bye.